What makes Trainfest America's largest operating model railroad show? Well, it's all about the fun and sheer number of operating model railroad layouts. They have miles of track, thousands of fans, and scores of attention-getting things to analyze, scrutinize, and enjoy. This is the train show that is built for model railroaders, hobbyists, rail fans, and families. This year, more than 70 layouts from large to very small and from all over the US will join the Trainfest excitement. Besides layouts, many popular manufacturers set up their booths at Trainfest. This great show gives visitors a chance to view many items and talk to representatives from various manufacturers. Trainfest is one of the largest and best train shows in the nation. Come and visit in 2018 on November 10th and 11th. We hope you enjoy our coverage of the 2017 Trainfest exhibition.
Hi, I'm Gail from Maryland LGB. We're at Trainfest, and today we're showing our LGB products with the pink train. The pink starter set's been very popular. Great for running outside, great for running around the Christmas tree, and comes complete with locomotive and 2 cars and all the track and power supplies you need. Also showing the My World products, which for 3 and up, they're a very durable quality product from Maryland for having the kids play with, and literally you can beat them up and they keep right on going. We have a wireless remote control and mini starter sets in that as well. The other thing we're featuring is our digital products for Maryland, and we have showing the CS3 and all the functions it can do with Maryland as well as LGB products. And so we're featuring the 1 gauge train on there, showing the completely unfinished train and how good it is. And so thanks for coming, and hopefully see you again.
With Athearn Model Trains. I have Matt Gentry here from Product Development, and there's a few models that just came in that we're showing at Trainfest this weekend. I'd like to show them to you. Starting off with the ES44DC. We have a number of different railroads, starting off with BNSF in the wedge scheme, CSX, and Norfolk Southern with some railroad specific details. Second up, we also have the Norfolk Southern SD60E, and this one comes in a standard black, as well as the new 911 paint scheme. We're offering that for the first time. Both this model and the paint scheme are offered for the first time in HO scale. Below that, we also have the Amtrak SDP40F, and also the Santa Fe version of the SDP40F. They rebuilt it into an SDF40-2.
The Santa Fe version on the SDF40-2 that we have produced in the first run is the 3rd rebuild from Santa Fe, so it has the notched nose. We have been able to replicate that. And then we also have the second rebuild where they rebuilt the front ladders after they initially got them from Amtrak.
Yeah, right now we're taking pre-orders on the second run of the SDP40F. This actually constitutes for the first delivery of that locomotive, I believe.
Yes, it does.
All right. And then also we have the ready-to-roll SD40T-2. There's a number of very innovative features with this locomotive, including full see-through grills in the rear. We took the brake tower from, or sorry, not the brake tower, but the gear tower, and moved it forward.
A few upgrades we did with the underframe is we have allowed the underframe to fit the Genesis motor, so there's no milling of the frame that has to be done. It is a direct fit. And we have also made the frame sound ready, so it has the little speaker basket for you to put your 16 by 35 millimeter speaker right in. There's no modifications needed. Everything fits just like it's out of the factory.
And to top it off, we brought the deco sample to the UP 1943. As has been just recently announced by Union Pacific, I think the end of October. And I believe that was the 19th of October of this year, 2017.
I believe that's right, somewhere around in there.
And just a week ago, we announced our version of it as part of the November packet. And we're showing it off here at Trainfest for the first time.
Right, and it has LED lighting in it, a first for the SD70 ACE, and full Tsunami 2 sound by Soundtracks.
Yes, it does, and we're really looking forward to getting this out in the market and getting it to everybody watching today.
Well, hello everybody and welcome to the Rocco and Fleischmann stand here in Trainfest. We have shown to Americans a few models, like for example the Norwegian snowplow that spins 180 degrees in a circle. We are showing the BR85 with dynamic steam popping up as it accelerates. And one of the most impressive articles, I believe, is the smart rail we're showing right there. And we're trying to prove that the smart rail is actually good for not only DCC digital locomotives, it can also run analogic locomotives on it. In February 2018 is a new starter set that is equipped with the former old new Rocco line tracks, and it will have a track with bedding. That's a product that we could not produce in more than 10 years because we had a patent on it and the patent ran out. So now we can produce it again, and it will be a Rocco line if you take it off and Rocco line with bedding if you put it on. It's a very flexible and robust new rubber bed, and it's really good for beginners. Not only the track is new, also we have the new Wi-Fi mouse that comes without a cable. The new Wi-Fi multi-mouse with 29 function to program, capable of reading out decoders. It will be just handy to walk around the layout with a turning button, just like the former multi-mouse was. And it will be one complete set. having the white C21 for starters, having the router and an unlock code to be able to right away use a smartphone or a tablet with it. And if somebody prefers the turning button, you can just still use the Wi-Fi mouse on it. So it will be one complete starter set. Well, thank you for joining us in our Roku and Fleischmann booth.
This concludes our presentation of the 2017 Trainfest exhibition. Whether you'd like to start your journey into model railroading or add on to your ever-growing hobby, please visit our website, Reynolds.com, for all your hobbying needs. And for more great videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.